Hello and welcome to Natural Cures. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to purify your kidneys at home with a simple juice recipe. Without further ado, here's the recipe. Grab a pen and paper to take note. To make this wonderful juice, you'll need pear. Pears are yummy fruits that are great for your kidneys. They have special stuff called malic acid and potassium that help keep your kidneys happy and healthy. The malic acid helps stop bad things called oxalates from building up in your body and making kidney stones. And the potassium helps make sure your pee isn't too concentrated, so it doesn't hurt your kidneys. Plus, pears are easy to digest. You will need 3 chopped pears. If possible, always use organic fruits. Parsley. This herb can help your kidneys by acting as a natural diuretic. That means it helps your body get rid of extra fluid by increasing urine production. This can help reduce swelling and bloating, which can put less pressure on your kidneys. But that's not all. Parsley contains a compound called apiol, which has been shown to help protect against kidney damage caused by certain medications. So by consuming parsley regularly, you may be able to reduce your risk of developing kidney problems. For this recipe, you will need 1 bunch of parsley. A bunch equals 1 to 2 ounces of parsley, okay? Celery. Celery is like a gentle scrub brush for your insides. It helps to sweep away any yucky stuff that might be lingering in your digestive tract and give your kidneys a bit of a break. Plus, celery also contains some special compounds called coumarins, which have been shown to help protect against kidney damage caused by certain medications. So by incorporating celery into your diet, you can help keep your kidneys running smoothly and reduce your risk of developing kidney problems. We're going to use a single stalk of celery in this juice. Last but not least, water. Water is very good for your kidneys because it helps them do their job better. Imagine your kidneys are like a sponge. Just like a sponge needs water to absorb dirt and clean things, your kidneys need water to absorb waste products and clean your blood. Without enough water, your kidneys can't do their job well, and that can lead to problems. Drinking enough water also helps your kidneys by flushing out bad things that might have built up in your body over time. It's like giving your kidneys a nice, refreshing drink that helps them stay healthy and working properly. Now that you know about its benefits, how about paying more attention to the amount of water you drink every day? Your kidneys will be very happy with that. In this recipe, we'll use 1 liter of water, which is approximately 34 fluid ounces. If you're not a fan of numbers, you can simply use 4 measuring cups, okay? To prepare the detox juice for the kidneys, it's very simple. Blend all the ingredients in a blender and strain before drinking. Drink 1 cup, 250 ml, 4 times a day for best results. This recipe makes enough juice for 1 day, so feel free to experiment with different ingredients and make a fresh batch every day. Drinking this juice regularly shouldn't cause any issues, but if you experience any unexpected side effects, it's best to stop consuming it. Let us know what you think of the juice in the comments below. And if you're looking for more ways to support your kidney health, be sure to check out the video we've linked above. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.